In this session, we'll be working on reservation view. We start off by creating a simple form for user to book their reservation with started and ended. So open F, views, rooms, and show.html.erb. Now remember that we already have a place to put the reservation booking. So just jump into there, which is this one that we done on the previous task. Okay, so here we're going to create a partial view, which is a reservation form. So I'm going to say render reservations / form. The main reason of using partial view here is because we want only this part to be refreshed when user change their time frame instead of loading the whole page. We don't have this view yet, so let's create now. So under views, let's create a new folder named Reservations. Okay, so under that reservations, create a new file named _form.html.erb. Remember the underscore for the partial view. Okay, so inside here we're going to create a new form. Say form 4, and we're going to pass the room and the room dot reservations dot new do. So inside here we're going to pass the form dot text field, and we're going to pass the start date. And we're going to do the same thing with the end date. Now also we're going to pass a hidden field, and for that we're going to say room ID. The value should be room.id. Now another hidden field we want to put in is the price, and the price is room.price. Okay, now just make a break, and after that we're going to create a new button or submit button, and we're going to say book now, and the class would be btn and btn primary. The new syntax here is the way we pass the room and the room.reservation.new. We do it this way because in this scenario, when you create a reservation, you need to know which room that reservation belongs to. And it's sort of like parent and child relationship. And for that scenario, we usually use this way. That is why in the config routes.rb, we have the resources of reservation nested inside the room resources. And now you understand why. Now open the form. I just forgot to put an F here. Alright, save it. Now restart the server and go to our web browser. Go into the room one just like this. And if we scroll down, here you can see our form. So this one is for started and this one for ended. Let's say for started and for ended. Alright, now we click book now. Okay, so we don't have any notification here, so we're going to do that in a bit. But for now, we want to check if we can create a reservation in the database. Now to check that, open your SQLite and here going to the reservation. And now we can see that we just got the one reservation. The user ID is 6 and the room ID is 1. The start date will be this one and the end date will be that one. We got a price and we got to create date and update date. We haven't got a total yet, but that's fine. We're going to do that in the next session. But for now, we just know that yes, we can create a reservation based on the user and the room. Now we need to create a notification to let user know that their reservation has been created. So under F, controllers, open reservation controllers. So right here, after you create reservation successfully, and here you're going to say notice your reservation has been created. Save it. Now refresh our web browser, and we're going to try to book another one. So maybe we select another house. I'll just select this one, and let's say this time, and book now. Okay, so we got a reservation. Awesome. In the next session, we'll be working on the jQuery data picker, which is very cool, and I'll see you then.